What time is it? In order to answer this question, to arrange an appointment or a date with your Italian friends, you need to learn how to tell the time. When you want to ask the time, you can indifferently use the singular form or the plural form of the verb essere, which means to be. Let's see. Che ora è, which means what time is it? Literally, what hour is it? In fact, che means what. Ora means hour. È means is it. I will say it slowly. Please repeat after me. Che ora è? Che ora è? You can also use the plural form. Che ore sono? Which literally means what hours are they? Che means what? Ore means hours. Sono means are they. I will say it slowly now. Please repeat after me. Che ore sono? Che ore sono? You can use either way when you ask, but to answer you must use the plural form. Sono le 5, which means it's 5 o'clock. Literally, they are 5 o'clock. In fact, sono means they are. Le means the, used with feminine plural names. Cinque means 5. Let's give another example. Sono le 2, which means it's 2 o'clock. Literally, they are 2 o'clock. In fact, sono means they are. Le means the. Article used with feminine plural names. Due means 2. You must use singular form instead of plural form in 3 cases only. 1 o'clock, midday, midnight. È l'una, which means it's 1 o'clock. In fact, è means it is. L means the, used with feminine singular names beginning with a vowel. Una means 1. Repeat again after me, please. È l'una. È l'una. È mezzogiorno, which means it's midday. In fact, è means it is. Mezzogiorno means midday. Please repeat after me. È mezzogiorno. È mezzogiorno. And finally, è mezzanotte, which means it's midnight. In fact, è means it is. Mezzanotte means midnight. Please repeat after me. È mezzanotte. È mezzanotte. In the next lesson, we will learn how to add the minutes.